What's up, guys? So I have the car lifted here, and this is like the third video I'm making about the whole rattle sound that you have that usually comes underneath the car. So I already started the work, and as you can see, if you saw the other videos, I'm not sure if you did or if this is the first video you see about the whole rattle sound. So it usually comes from the shields that you have over here. Let me see. Let me get the focus real quick. Alright, so usually comes from the shields that you have on the, this is the header, and it comes all the way down over here. And they usually, if you guys have a shield, then it should be the problem making the noise. So I did a few things before and it didn't really work out fully. So the best solution that I thought about right now is to remove it. And it was very rusty, the whole bolts, as you can see right here. I'm trying to get this removed, but I had to break the other side off. So I'm working on this one to get it removed if I could. As you can see, I got the bottom one removed right here. I had to bend it, twist it, break it off, and I broke it off. So I'm working on the top one, so let me do that real quick. Just give me a second. I'm not sure if you can see or not, so just bear with me. So it's actually hard. If yours is rusty, spray a little bit of WD-40 or some PV blaster, or just mess with it, and hopefully it should remove for you guys. So I had to do a lot of bending and just to get everything removed. But so as you can see, I don't know if you guys were able to see before. So now this one is about Alright, look at that. Now I got both of them out of the way. Now there's no heat shield on this, which the heat shield is so it doesn't overheat as much and it keeps it a little bit cool. What I could do is wrap it with this product, but I will have to buy it, lift up the car again, and then wrap it. If I do decide on doing that, I'll show you guys how to do it. I think wrapping is going to be a lot better. It keeps the pipe cooler, even better than this piece of shield. So that's it, guys.